Thank you, Mr. Reed. Thank you for bringing me safe from the airport. Thank God I am back on Jamaican soil. 2 months away from my home wasn't good enough at all. I am glad to be home. Hmm? Very much happy to be home. Hmm? Yes, I thank God that I am home safe and sound. 2 months away from my home. Thank you, Mr. Reed. Thank you. And remember what I tell you here, come check me 5 o'clock tomorrow evening because me have to go down at the Western Union early morning down at the Cambia, go change the money so you can get your taxi fare. Okay? So check me tomorrow evening. Alright. So as you know, me didn't travel. Hmm? Well, my wife, me, she come back with the COVID. Hmm? Come back with the COVID, me name was say COVID still out there. And all and all me come back with is the hand luggage. The suitcase get mixed up. Then tell me out of the airport say the suitcase either I come before me or it not come till half of me. So me no know hour fi say. But me no get the suitcase when me a come out at the airport. So then say fi give them couple days and if I call them and see if me get the suitcase. But it left a bad taste in my mouth at the first time me a travel. And if you see me come back without my suitcase, me not travel again. Eh? Me not travel upon that a aircraft there again at all. Because the first time, they make me have to come back without my suitcase. Hmm? And I don't like say me didn't have any contraband or anything in the suitcase, you know. Because me all know me have to follow instruction. So me no know what make me not get me suitcase. I don't know but all and all when me a come through, then tell me say he misplaced. It look like he catch ya before me. Then how if he catch before me? Something not right at all. And me she come back with the COVID. So she take bed. Alright then. So tomorrow me sort out the money problem them and if he get one barrel. Me no know if he reach it, so tomorrow now me call and find out if he reach at the wharf. Coming, grandfather, coming, grandfather. Coming. Oh, yes, grandfather. Okay, all right, grandfather, all right. Brian. Come. Me I get ready to go Bible study at church. Because as you know, say, me never there yesterday if go a prayer meeting. So me have to go see if me go a Bible study. But look up any rice in the bucket. Me want you cook the rice and want mackerel till me come back. Me will come back about 7:30. Oh, you mean say you not no rice, Brian? Brian a 25 pound of rice me buy when we are left here. Go foreign. And you mean to tell me say you and your whole jing bang bleach out face, dry foot people them, cook off the whole of the rice, Brian. Brian! You hear how much time me I call you, Brian? Alright. Come go to Jai's shop and tell her say me say, your grandfather say. Cause tomorrow me a go down a wharf, go sort out the barrel and go a Western Union go change the US them when me have, cause me no got no Jamaica money. I mean, no want to cut no money out of a saving pan. So tell Jai say we give you 2 pound of rice, one big tin of mackerel, big jilla oil, and if she have any vinegar, can give you a little because I don't like mackerel without vinegar. Yes. And me dey want some sugar, but make it sugar time. Nobody tell her about the sugar. And call her one side and tell her because Joyce have a dirty style. When you go at the shop to buy, she dey on TikTok live. And she no say make she pause it and hear where people are say everybody million of people depend the live and Joyce I take up and I listen to everything where you say for people fasting on your business. And that's why people business gone abroad because she wouldn't even come off of the live and listen to what you say. She not listen to what you say. She depend the life the whole time from morning till night come catch her in the shop. Well, she said she a try hustle a thing pan his side. But you know, put it on pause and hear what people are say. You come to buy a 1 pound of chicken back. She depend the live, everybody can hear. So when you come back with the things them, Brian, when you come back with the things them, you make me know. We are going to look for me shoes on her back there and get it put on. By the time that you must come back, by the time me pick her ground by hand, you're supposed to there. All right, thank you. The oil, the vinegar, and the mackerel. And the rice. May we pick a rice before we go to church. I mean, if God fi tell you, say, fi get 2 Panadol for your grandma. Me never remember anything. When me a come from church, me see if me get 2 down the road. Me supposed to have $200 there. Me we get it when me a come. But me have go pick out the rice. Because who no young people nah pick rice. Who no nah pick rice. And me no like to know when me a eat the rice, them whole heap of something they eat in the rice. So me a pick the rice before me go to church. And make sure when you cook up the mackerel, you wash off the tin before you know, Brian. Because who no young people do things different. All right. Hold on there. You make me draw a chair. Sit down to pick your rice. Yes. I don't know where they get them dirty rice. See there? Me no want forget fi put on me hat cause you know fi me head now walk good. So me put on the hat, that's when me done pick your rice, me can get figure along at church. Me mind rest on the prayer meeting yesterday. But you know, me still want the Bible study, you know. Yes. So Brian, me I go beg you, wash your rice 3-4 times. And not because me not see you, you go out there wash it 2 times. Take water from round the back out a barrel and wash the rice. Because water commission like a pipe. Say, me no pay no water bill. And then I look for the people, them want thief water. But I mean, where I pay me bill, them are antagonize. So by the time I go to church and come back 7:30, me we get the little dinner. Yes. All right. Me a come along now because me no want Sister Mac left me. Because you know we have to walk and talk. And me left Sister Mac, we watch the yard and we see where you up here do. You Brian. So, me we hear when me a go to church, me and Sister Mac all the way you carry on with. Alright. I can't take time. Hey! Take time along. Alright, when me come back. Brian, you pass the food, give me there, Brian. Thank you, there, my grandson. Thank you. You make me tasty. Why, my grandson? Seems like you take care of your grandmama, you know. I know, it's too bad. Then, you know, I know pepper they could have put in there, Brian. The pepper they not hot. So, alright. Thank you. I never wanted myself, but I just have to catch it in there. A style. You have to catch it pepper. Then Brian. Never the good bread with you. Brian. Me if you drink water, why if I ever clap you this evening, you see? You're not going to tell me how to run my business. A long time I walk and mind your mama. I know. You can't tell me where to do, boy. If you go drink water. You pass the beer they give me. Let me drink one beer. Oof. In the meantime, put on the kettle. I dry one cup of tea. When me done, eat me can drink the cup of tea and go lay down on my bed. But Ryan, the rice could a little bit more softer, man. Them your type of rice and them aggravate my stomach, you know, Brian. We like you a little bit soft. I mean, have all one bad teeth, you grain this a hitch up in eye. Alright. Put on this me tomorrow me eat it. My stomach now manage all right at all. I never too me hungry, so when me go far, me no get nothing proper for eat. I mean, I look for get so yeah, man. Your food is this. Good for there, yeah. Alright. Thank you. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Every subscriber is important. Brian, come sit down here and talk with you, my grandson, you come. Because when me I grew up, 53 picked them. Then they have manners back in the day. But who know this generation you no got no manners. No manners. That's why the Bible says they are a generation of vipers. But the grandson, me now go call you viper. But me take a sup of the tea. Yes. I feel, Brian. Psalms 22 and verse 1. My God, my God, why art thou forsaken me? Me Alfonso, and put me in a harm's way with this a grandson ya, where him mama left ya. And she them over Canada, they, Aguilar for peace. While me and me there, and me I tell you say, and only can talk me talk, and say me I go call him mama at Canada and tell him mama where my carry on ya. And every take me take up phone say me I go call him ma. Me I tell me say, me too miserable, and if you go sit down and let me grab picnic. But it now go bring shame for me, Alfonso, yeah, because a tree picnic me grew back in the day when they could have the Gwega farmer. Me say me now go, cause me know woman alone can't grow a picnic. And that's why me never go, you know, cause me know woman can't grow a picnic. Them a go boil them. And through a two son me have, me couldn't be left them with me, because they would not come to no. They would maybe would have been up in prison, eh? Or maybe they would have buried. So be glad me never take the chance and left them with me. Because look on the condition of Brian. His mama said 150,000 come give the pay school fee, and when me have go to church, only me hear one sound, and when me clarify the matter, then say Brian buy yen bike and left it round a scary. And that time boy there, where the name scary, I don't know, good boy. I want good fit, not boy. I want good fit, not boy. I mean, I tell you, this a taking Bible feet. Yes. Me, I tell you. One good film, not no boy. Around a field yard, Brian buy the bike and left it, because me no see Brian with no bike in a yard, yeah. Me no see with no bike round a back, no way up, me no see no bike. And all then they on the road at night time and make up pay nice. Me really and truly hear them with the young. I make up nice and when me I go to church, me disappear can't test so. Me I tell you, I frighten me. Because me I tell you say, I want a piece of fire, I come from out of the bike. Me I feel wonder. Yes. I tell you one piece of fire spit out of the bike. Yes. And every night, not to mention when it news, when we ready to go watching news, the 7 o'clock news at night time. When we don't go at church, I can't hear what the news I say. And you know, for me, here's not hear how that good already. Me not hear nothing when you say all and all, me hear pass gate, everything. It go cook down, go cook down. For one reason, me don't know. Me never know who we call. The government need to ban them the bike there. And not to mention when them make up in night, they sound like a shot of fire. Ooh. And you know me trouble from pressure already. Sometimes when me go to clinic, doctor say me pressure high. And me know me not eat nothing salt. And me not eat nothing to raise my pressure. But some of the time when me asleep, by the time me put on my head, me a and me have to get up. And so, and me I tell you say, why? You know, easy. You know, easy living in some area, you know. But me not top prayer until it good Lord help me. That's me can open at the hills go live. Up a one hill with a Bevila Hills, Red Hills, Jackson, Harden place there. I'm telling you because I am tired of it. Don't pan the low. Because the people that up in them place there now encounter them the slackness. Eh? I mean, don't know why me have fear encounter it. That because me poverty. Me tired of it, me tired of it. So, me I go see. I hear from good source if the bike of a Brian fit true. Because if the bike of a Brian, he going to have to carry back when buy it and get back the money. Because me notice it now get up and go to school a man in time. But he tell me say in the past semester break. And true me not really know. Cause me whole you know. Cause when me na go to school back in a Phoebe, back one day there, me all me go to school to a fifth grade. Me no know nothing more. Grandpa, 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 everybody in the community have a little bike, you know, grandfather. And me feel left out, you know. That's why me take the money when mommy send come give me fi go to school and buy one little bike, you know, grandfather. Me soon go back to school, man. Me soon go back to school. Grandfather just come off of me case now, man. Sure. Tired of it now, you know. Sure. Can't take it with no old people, you know, man. Sure. I don't know when mommy not try sort out something for help me for come up to Canada, you know, because I'm tired of this, you know. I'm tired of it, you know. I'm tired of it now, man. Me can't have no little freedom, grandfather. Every day you dip on my back, so grandfather, man. Every day you dip on my back. Me can't have no freedom, grandfather. So,